What's up, beautiful people? Let's just unpack on news galore. Nango ugogo maweni ethi she received good news from advocate yakhe but akasisho good news, and then athi uzocelebrate ngewine. Isn't she pregnant? Athi she doesn't drink anymore, but she'll just for the celebration drink the wine. Njani guys? When you're pregnant with twins, get confused. But she's not telling us futhi at the same time ukuthi ene what are the good news. We just maybe thinking ukuthi it could be ukuthi mhlawumbe ama-charges adrophiwe, angazi ukubona leyo nto. Ngapha futhi nogogo Sikhutheni usipha ama-hints uthi hayi no ku-Instagram, hayi no labantu bangajiki nala malobolo ami. Ubelobolo guys la muntu lo, or was she doing a ceremony maybe for her late son? Hey, abantu bayakhekela bashona le the exact things that are happening, which is like to speculate like which one is it. But most people are like number one ukuthi maybe ngempela ubelotsholwa usisters. Manje basi who is the mystery man that is loboling her? You know, sazophuma indaba ungawashake, it's gonna unfold very quickly. Like how we were saying guys ukuthi you know what, fine imali ayikho and all of that, and people are complaining about money. Nathi asizenzi njengoba usibona sino 9 to 5, we sell other things, ama-perfumes, we do stuff on the side for YouTube channels. It's just crazy stuff. 3 of those YouTube channels are not gonna pay anytime soon. One is gonna pay soon, maybe another one by June, I guess, you know, and then another 2 I must just push it at least by September, October. With your help, of course, guys, and I really appreciate you. But guys, isn't this abanye abantu for money? It's a lot. Now go Sasa officials again. 3 of them were actually arrested on Friday. They are actually looking for another 4. Sebe fugitive about all. They're on the run. I'm just like, why? 260 million, guys. On Sasa fraud cards, ghost, basically they've been paying ghosts. So they're hoping with the new system that's coming this coming Thursday on the 20th is going to change this whole thing. Yabantu frauding and stealing the money. Oh my gosh. And you know who actually found them? Stellenbosch IT students are the one who've been doing the research. I actually did follow the story last year. And then Ibona Baba Chole, I know there's something like there's people that don't exist. Identity fraud, lana that's going on, and banchonchama ID and lie, and then it basically Sasa has been paying ghosts 260 million, guys, and apparently it's a huge syndicate. Yeah, it's a huge, and Labage about 3 that's were actually arrested on Friday. They were found with cards at the Sasa. You moving around with Sasa cards. Like, what are you doing? You work there. People who talk about holy chances are because of you. You on top of that, you are stealing their identity. So basically, because when greedy, you know. So guys, this bag, you must look after yourselves. Isn't this ganjana guys? They don't end well. They don't. It's nice and all to child and money while you can, but now how is it ending? This is why it's in a push. No matter you can sell something, you can do whatever. You do it. You know, like I've been for Calaparis on this channel. Also, I'm taking care of my late sister's 2 children besides my own one. So it's actually a lot. Yeah, you need to put in it's consistency. Basically, that's gonna work for you, because even here on YouTube, if I post it, and usebenza wena ku YouTube uhola because you are posting and because you are pushing, you know. So guys, Sasa Cards syndicate, they arrested 3. They actually, in fact, they're looking for 7. It could be more. That's what they're saying, because what happens is that when you work for Sasa and then you send other people outside, that's who works for you. So they're like, no, there could be more. We've just arrested 3 tonight. We want more people. Guys, it's crazy. Ngapha i-actor uZolisa Xaluva ubophisa abantu. Kuyasuwana ke nje, akhumula ngichazela ukuthi ngamkhumbula owami ukuthi ungabodlala naye. Owami uzokubophisa ulamba ukhuluma izinto ngaye. Remember there's a video yami before this one. There's 2 or 3 videos before this one where I was talking about owami ukuthi owami uyabophisa ngisho ama-YouTubers. Ya akadlali manje nje washo something ngaye uzokubophisa. Actor-ke ibophise i-production company that he was working for. Obviously they're not gonna say the name ngokubona lezo zinto ey'kanjalo. 300,000 of unpaid salaries ufuna imali yakhe ubrothers. Nyamaza ngithi lo ku-Generations for years, and he's acted on really like his big roles on TV. He's actually a veteran actor. This guy, we are actor nje speaks fluent isiXhosa. So uGuy ke usuka abantu ufuna imali yakhe. Yeah, cabanga. And then quickly another story, Dr. Kehlelezi uthi usisi wamdlwengula uKehlelezi when she came to Johannesburg to help him with an account that was hacked Instagram yakhe. Wathi uzofika uthi hawu angafika umuntu wathi kwegaladini noma sesengihlele endini umuntu. I guess maybe it's like an Airbnb where they had booked there. Mase ngihlele endlini umuntu uyaqhamuka and then uvele uyakhumula umuntu. I'm like hayibo kwenzakalani wamudlwengula kanjalo, but now uKehlelezi naye mase ekhuluma esakhe story. Yabo nje lesi story is such a crazy story. Si complicated azizwakali kahle ngoba uKehlelezi naye uyasikhuluma esakhe story ukuthi lo muntu mina ngaze ngize ngimthinte. Manje sekubonakala sengathi usisi uyistalker ngoba wabhukhelwa iflight umuntu ozosiza uKehlelezi with his Instagram account that was hacked, and basically his website, because uKehlelezi was like, no, come to Johannesburg, so in Melrose where I stay in my house, so that uzokwazi ukuyenzela la ngoba mostly my stuff is confidential and all of that. Hey, so their story is ongoing. It's so crazy this story lezi. Just as much as manje 70% ungathi uKehlelezi could be right, and usisters ngathi manje usistalker. Uyayibona kodwa ukuthi kanjani le nto le. I'm just like, obviously, I mean, as a woman, you want to believe the usisi lo ukuthi she could be correct, you know. But manje at the same time, Kehlelezi is like, hey, lo muntu angaze ngize ngimenze next man. No, and usisters wayovula icase yakhe uKehlelezi seyivulile. uKehlelezi actually opened his own case before sisters went after to the police. So manje uyabona ukuthi ku complicated ngoba noKehlelezi ukhuluma sakhe story. Sisters went on to social media to say ungidlwengulile ngihlangile ini. So uyabona, so we're still following the story, guys. It's still unfolding. Sisazobona ukuthi sizophelela laphi. If it does come back again, the stories kaKehlelezi no sisters, I will let you know. Thank you so much, guys, for always watching my channel and supporting me. Like I said, the channel is ifikile phela ku 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. Yiyo le engithi maybe by May it should pay. Thank you so much, guys. That's my second channel. Thank you.